everybody? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. How are you doing? What's up? How's your day been? Pretty good. Pretty good. Really busy. My work's been busy like all week. But that's because people were sick, so there wasn't a lot of like people there. So we just had to kind of work through it, but it wasn't too bad today. It wasn't too bad. Taco Friday? I had tacos yesterday. It's Taco Tuesday, not Taco Friday. Hi, Matt. How are you? Hi, Kaji. Hi. How are you? Hi. I'm at a fancy local Italian place getting some pasta. Are you messaging us? Are you on my stream if you're at an Italian place getting pasta? Friday in Sweden? It's Taco Friday in Sweden? Really? Coffee and blood? You should probably get that checked out, you know? VTuber in public? You're here! This is my job! This is my job when I'm not streaming for you guys. I am a maid host. You over food. Damn, that's some dedication. That's dedication. Thank you. I appreciate it. But Spooky, go enjoy your meal. You don't have to be here. You don't have to be here. How's your Friday going? It's going good. I'm ready to enjoy my afternoon, but I really can't because I have to clean. I have to clean like right after stream because my room is so messy. It's like getting to the point, you know, does anyone else do this thing where they like, the more messy it is, the more you can't clean it because it's so messy and you stress out and you don't know where to start? I mean, it's not to that point, but I can feel myself getting anxious because it's dirty and I need to clean it. And I know I'll feel so much better once it's clean. So I'll feel so much better. Yes? Oh, good. I'm glad I'm not alone then. Good. Hi, Hoke. Hi, Kai. Hi. I'm not horny. Why is it transparent? What the fuck? It's yellow. It's not green. That's really funny. Cockerel maid neglecting her cockerel maid duties. I'm a host maid. I don't know how many times I have to say this. I'm a host maid. This music isn't what I want right now. I don't want chill. I want like, what do I want? I don't know. What do I want? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I just got my pasta and posted it in the media channel. Okay, I'll check. Let's look at this pasta. Let's see. As a verified Italian, I can judge. That's some wet ass pasta. It's not WAP. It is WAP, but it's not wet ass pussy. It's wet ass pasta. It's Maid Week? Really? I thought that was already there. What the fuck? I'm just saying it's wet. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying it looks really, like, liquidy. You know? I'm not saying it's bad. It's fine. Ba 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 da ba ba pop stuff. It is. It's wet ass pasta. Cause your pasta's wet. I don't know what's so wrong with that. This isn't the music I want either. What do I want? I don't know what kind of music I want. This is hard. What's this? I don't want words. This is so hard. How do people do this? Sure, maybe this? Now, I want like... I don't know. Everyone help me figure out what kind of music I want to listen to. We could just get this whole... We could just make this whole just chatting stream copywritten and play music I want to play. Please know why. Why? I'm not on my PC, so I can't yoink the VOD before it gets bonked. Well, you know, that's just what the heck. What the hell is this? Are you talking about the music or are you talking about the anime girl on the screen? Because I could have an answer for either. Everything? Oh, you know, I am a cat girl. I am a VTuber and I'm playing music and this is what's happening. So what do you need? What do you need insight on? I don't know what this song is, but it's good. It's very hyper. It's hyper pop, baby. How's everyone else's week been? We've talked about my week. How's everybody else doing? Did you do anything fun? Have you had any plans for the weekend? What's up? Tell me about your life. Don't leave me hanging on the gritty details. I'm starting to feel better now. Oh, that's good. I'm glad. Now I can breathe freely. Woohoo! My week has been a mental roller coaster, mainly feeling dead inside, then energized back to back to back. It is, well, you know, what is it? Mercury? Mercury's in retrograde, so, you know, I think that's why everyone's been crazy. Oh, and tonight is a full moon, so it's all going on at once. It's all happening. It's all chaos. The world's going nuts. So that might be a part of what your energy is. Bow, bow, bow. I have been non-stop grinding a fighting game for the last month or two, and I got top 50 on my character. Wow! Top 50 in like the whole game ever? Or like nationwide? Or what? Because that's cool. What game is it? All players, all regions, and platforms. Wow. Guilty Gear? You're a Bridget player? I love Bridget. I've always wanted to play Guilty Gear. I would love to play that on stream sometime. That's so cool. You must be famous. Wow, there's a celebrity in my chat right now. Where do you play Guilty Gear? Is that on Steam? I started meeting some of the real top players. That's so cool. I can't do fighting games that make me feel dead inside. Apparently everything makes you feel dead inside right now, Spooky. On Steam and its crossplay? I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna just see how much money it is. Guilty Gear. Wait, which one is it? There's so many Guilty Gears. Which one's the newest one? And it's on Game Pass? Oh, it's on Xbox Game Pass? I have that. Guilty Gear Strive. Oh, it's the newest one? When's my birthday? Yes, that's right. I'm gonna put this in my library, or my wish list. Because I'm gonna play it eventually. They make me rage, but I play them anyways. I think I'm a masochist. I do that a lot with Elden Ring. I'm so excited for when the expansion comes out. I'm so ready. I'm gonna play it. That's all I'm gonna be playing on stream. My soul feels fulfilled when I'm watching meal streams. Aww. Hey, can we get a round of applause for me? I did not miss a stream this week. Yay, Mew! Bare minimum! Woohoo! I know it's not much, but I'm proud of myself. Every day I step out of my office and I think, oh my god, I have a second job I have to do. And I'm so tired. But when I actually get here on stream, I feel fine. I can't play the same game for too long. It's so boring after a few days. Oh no, I can if it's Elden Ring or if it's a game that I like. Then I can play a lot. I have like over 700 hours in Animal Crossing. You got this? You're a girl boss? I just wish my second job paid. I mean, it does. It definitely does pay me some money. I just wish it paid all the money, then I wouldn't have to go to my first job. For me, Elden Ring lasted 2 hours. After that, I just installed it so hard that I'm thinking of selling it. Oh my gosh, you really didn't like it. Why? Why didn't you like it? Hi, Calvin. How are you? Yo! I'm good? Good! I'm glad to hear. Chatty, chatty, chatty. Chatty, chatty, chatty. Chatty, chatty, chatty. Do you guys like my setup? I have Shoost. I'm using Shoost for the first time on stream because they finally have a spout and I finally know how to use it, so it's not killing my PC, which is awesome because I couldn't even record a video on Shoost without it breaking my whole PC. It hated it. It hated it so much. I just heard an explosion and went to check it out and saw black smoke. Wow. Maybe don't go near that. Because I was starting to throw the controller on the TV. Oh my gosh. No, you can't do that. You can't have a gamer fit. No, you can't let the game win. after like 6 hours, I didn't dislike it, and I love all other Dark Souls, but it feels so big and lots of new stuff to learn. I feel like it wasn't. I liked it. Obviously I liked it, but I thought it was very good. It was fun, and there was lots of stuff to do, and it kept me entertained, and also made me want to die. I hated it and loved it and wanted it to be deleted, and then never wanted to stop playing it. It was such a mixed bag. But that's why I liked it. Because it felt so much better when I actually, like, defeated something. Even if I kind of cheated. I need to learn more Vocaloid songs. Well, is Bad Apple Vocaloid? I can't remember. No? Okay. I thought it was... I don't know what To'o is. No, it's sung by a real person? Ah, what's To'o? I don't know what To'o is. I've seen it referenced a lot. To'o is a bullet hell game series. Oh no! Not bullet hells! I'm terrible at bullet hells. I can't avoid it. I cannot avoid things coming at me to save my life. I would... If I was about to, like, run into a barn, I would run into the barn because I can't avoid it. They have great music? Well, obviously, if Bad Apple came from it, would be a Bad Apple. Tara! Oh my god, hi! Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Nyabe, Tara! What's up? Shark Boy! That song I Made You cover is also from cover? Oh, really? Damn, I thought it was following. That's what I thought! When I came to your debut, I was like, oh my god, I'm fucking not following him on anything? I know damn well that I was following you on Twitter, though. I swear, Elon Musk nerfed my followers or something. Because I was not following so many people that I know that I followed. Elon! But hi! Thank you so much for following. What's up? How are you? I really love bullet hells? What the No, that's some kind of special hell. Well, obviously it's special hell, but now I want to listen to Magnet. I want to listen to Magnet! I want to listen to Magnet from Vocaloid. I want to listen to Magnet. Banana! 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 Ba-da-da-da! Can we listen to a cover of Magnet? I don't know. Whose cover? That's very, I don't know. 遅い日が心の端に止まるいつの間にか燃え広がる熱情 You really want to listen to my cover? Fine. Just because it's got Aqua in it. And Aqua deserves more recognition because Aqua has such an impressive voice. I'll listen to the cover. This one. Yes. I followed you on Twitter. Thank you! Thank you, arigato! Thank you, thank you. I am most active there, technically. Technically. Good night, Matt! Hi! Hi, Mino, 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 Mino! Oh, tiny. 落ちたのは流れなくて同じ現実の私たち触れたら戻れないと知るそれ以の誰よりも大切なあなた Hi Marvel, hi! Yeah, we're vibing right now to my covers. 夜明けが来ると不安で泣いてしまう私に大丈夫とささやいたあなたも泣いていたの抱き寄せてほしい確かめてほしいスタミナとないんだと思わせてキスをして得てほしい Oh, did you not know it was me? 触れたいどのようにたとえいつか離れても Why is the caption saying vegetables? I don't know. Shut up! Shut up! Captions! あなた Captions are really bad. Well, it's Japanese, so I guess I understand. That's me! Thanks, Google! Caption, stop! You're ruining the vibe! What other cover do I wanna... Oh, this one. This one. This one. On you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your clothes from across the floor. Nuzzles your necky, wacky, till the merkill the hee. Unzipped your baggy ass pants, oh baby, you're so musky. Give me hum and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. My little baby tail. For your boldy roach, your theme song. What? Daddy like his nuzzles and nuzzles your trash. I be getting thirsty. Hey yo, hey yo. Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Balls on your buttons and lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Not to hit 'em with this furry shit. Don't see it coming. Oh my god. I love all my covers. I can't wait to put out another cover. I love every single one of them. Except for the one that I don't talk about. My very first cover. I don't talk about it because I was so embarrassed. It was for what's her name? Maury Calliope. For her cover when she first debuted. Yes. That was the first one I ever did, and it was awful, and I hated it. I hated it like 6 months later, and then I unlisted it. It was so bad. The Deadbeats? Yeah, that was it. I think. It was the Pardon Me, would you something. Yeah, that one. The very first song she ever put out. Was that one cover we bullied you into posting on YT from Twitter? No, that was this one. Hold on. That was Don't Wanna Fall in Love. This one.
What's up? Oh damn it, baby, you bad. Yeah, heard you got a thing though. That's cool, but where are they at? Oh, they fucked up. You looked up. You don't turn into the motherfucking mule. I'm gonna make you my babe for a day. They should be happy I'm giving you back, cause you can make me wifey for a week. We can spend a weekend in Japan. If someone try to fuck with my man, tell them look at you fucking hand. Honestly, I'm better as your girl. I'd be kinda shitty as your boo. Let's get back to being only friends. Sorry, boy, I hope you understand.
Nope.
That's right. So good.
I like this song. I love this song. I don't know why.
No. That's right. So good.
I did this in like 30 minutes.
I wasn't leading you on, boy. I just forgot where I was going. I got way too attached. That wasn't the plan. And I knew a guy just like you once. We ended up hating each other cause we couldn't let it end. That can happen again. No,
I wanna fall in love. Cause it's just like a knife. The super plus extra important thing where you get extra titles but it's all worthless? Oh, it's private. It's privately public. Shut up. You ever heard of, what's that shit called? Where you do it in public? Yeah, that.
someone put him up, ding, ding, ding. Pulling my heartstrings, zing, zing, zing. But I'm trying to let go, but it's hard enough to leave you alone. My phone going ring, ring, ring. Please let me go, cause I don't wanna fall in love. Cause the last time left me cold. When he left my house, he didn't even let me know. Man, he didn't even leave me notes. Part of the reason I'm easily hurt. Part of the reason I'm leaving you first. Pardon that part of me, give my apologies. I know that working on it never works. I'm sorry it's you, but hey, what should I do? Be happy with lies or be sad with the truth? Don't be ashamed, you see love is a game and I still wanna play. I'm just too scared to lose, and I know you are too.
Yeah!
You know? I mean, we're young, we're good. We don't have to be upside down. Fuck this shit. Let's just dance, alright?
I hate when I talk. I hate it. It's so cringe to hear my own voice. It's cringe. All my homies hate hearing their own voice. It's gross. But I did really like doing that song a lot. Same. True. Yep. See? I'm right. What other covers do I even have? I have Boyfriend by Ariana Grande and Social House. I did that one with Rikami. I also did Unholy by Sam Smith with Rikami. I did Streets by Doja Cat. I did Getcha. I did Call Me By Your Name. I did Dreamy Night. I did Bao's original song, 52 Hertz. And And I also did Melanie Martinez. I did want to do more of Melanie Martinez very soon. And I also did Corpse Husband. You and Kami actually killed on the cover. Thank you! Thank you. Boyfriend was one of my favorites so far. But I'll play that one too. You're just gonna do my it's like karaoke, but it's my, you know, it's like pre-filmed karaoke. What is that? That's just recording, Mew. Shut up. Mew, oh my god, you're so embarrassing. I'm embarrassing. It's because I'm not used to talking to you guys like one-on-one like this. Usually I'm playing a game.
Fucking train wreck. I don't wanna be too much, but I don't wanna miss your touch. And you don't seem to give a fuck. I don't wanna keep you waiting, but I do just what I have to do. And I might not be the one for you, but you ain't about to have no boo. Cause I know we be so complicated, but we be so smitten. It's crazy, I can't have what I want, but neither can you. You ain't my boyfriend, I ain't your girlfriend, but you don't want me to see nobody else, and I don't want you to see nobody. But you ain't my boyfriend, I ain't your girlfriend, but you don't want me to touch nobody else. Baby, we ain't gotta tell nobody.
Even though you ain't mine, I promise the way we fight make me honestly feel like we just in love. Cause
Wait,
we
can I do this?
shoved, and baby, let's bring back to. I lose my mind when it comes to you. I take time with the ones I choose. I don't wanna smile if it ain't from you, yeah. I know we be so complicated.
Let me see if I have enough VIPs for Tara and Nina.
I can't have what I want, neither can you.
Yeah, I do.
You ain't my boyfriend, I ain't your girlfriend, but you don't want me to see nobody else, and I don't want you to see nobody. But you ain't my boyfriend, I ain't your girlfriend, but you don't want me to touch nobody else. Baby, we ain't gotta tell nobody.
Oh, thank you, Retro. Thank you so much. You're so sweet. Thank you, Vanilla. Hi, how are you?
Like it's easy, careful with words, but it's still hard to read me. Stress high when the trust low. Bad vibes where the fun goes. Trying to open up and love more.
Love more.
Trying to open up and love more.
If you were my boyfriend,
But you were my girl.
I'm good. Thanks for asking. Yeah, I'm glad to hear that.
Nobody else, I can't guarantee that by myself.
Yeah, if you were my boyfriend,
but you don't want me to see nobody.
nobody.
Nobody, but you ain't my boyfriend.
You ain't my boyfriend.
But you don't want me to touch nobody.
Baby, we ain't gotta tell nobody. You ain't my boyfriend. I ain't your girlfriend. And you don't want me to see nobody else. And I don't want you to see nobody. You ain't my boyfriend. I ain't your girlfriend. If you don't want me to touch nobody else.
Baby, we ain't gotta tell nobody.
Ow! I hate that. I hate it. I hate it. I hate any ad-libbing. Whenever I'm done, whenever I'm done recording a song, I have to listen to it, obviously, to see if it's worth even sending to the editor. And I have to listen to those little clips that I do to be kind of cool. And it never feels cool after I do it. Mia, want to play a quick game select number 1 or 2? 2! It's like music I hear when I'm trying to close dancing in the change room. What the fuck? Are you saying I'm like in the coal section or something? Hold on, fine. Here, how about this one? How about this one? This one's not very coal section. Thank you. This is Doja Cat. Mia, I feel bad asking you, can you look at Discord group because it's the cutest little outfit. Okay, hold on, baby girl. I've got you. Give me a second. Oh my god! That is so cute! That's like the spring one!
Like you.
Oh my like she'd come out of Midsummer though. I don't know. She might. Holy shit! Fuck! That scared me. Wait, what was it? Hold on, I didn't see the notification in time. Listen to the song while I do this. Wait. You got me the Beatrice figure! Wow! Holy shit! Thank you so much, Marvel! Hold on, I'll show you guys. Beatrice from ReZero! Oh my god! Yes! Pickle! Hold on. I'm sorry, I'm conflicting the vibes of the song, my bad. You're the type I wanna marry. Get you married. I'll put the ring on when you're ready. What? Where is it saving? What the fuck? I love this. I'm so excited right now. Hello, Rachel. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Nyafe. Oh, there it is. Yes! I'm so excited. Look how cute it is. She's going on my desk at work. I'm gonna put her next to my monitor and I'm gonna look at her whenever I wanna die. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Does for show? Wait, does show dough? What? Huh? Why has she got on some fire kicks? I know, right? Her whole outfit's a vibe. I love it. It looks so cute. Those shoes though. Oh yeah, I know. I think she's a whole 5. No, she's probably like 4 or 6 even with the shoes on. The stretch socks. I love this. Look at her. Thank you so much, Marvel. Thank you. Shooty scores. You did great. You did amazing. Even though I technically picked it. Stop. Well, that was fun. We did a nice little karaoke. Not really karaoke, but cover showcase. I didn't play all of them, but you get the gist. I sing some songs and do some stuff occasionally, and eventually I'm gonna get back to it, but right now is focused on Mew's well-being, and Mew's well-being doesn't include covers at the moment. But that's okay. What other songs would you guys want to hear me cover? It doesn't have to be anything in particular. It doesn't have to be like rap or common or anything like that. Whatever you think would suit me. I've already given you my suggestions. I don't remember. Where did you give me these suggestions? Other than the one that I have already. That is done. This needs to be edited. Although, probably now, I'm gonna be real, it's been so long, I'm probably gonna redo it. Because it's been sitting on the shelf way too long. And that means my voice has improved, or at least sounded different since then. So, I might redo it. But at least now I know the words. Well, I know the words when I look at them. I'll do them to you again? Okay. Some songs... I'm trying to think of songs that I want to do. I have a Doja Cat song that is, done but needs to be edited. I have a Lil Nas song that's done that needs to be edited. There's one song that I want to do for my re-debut, but I haven't done that one yet. But I'm really excited because it's like one of my favorite all-time songs ever. And then it's hard when I try and think about it. It's hard for me to think of the songs I want to do. But if I were to go through my songs on my Spotify, I would find stuff. I'm gonna go through my Spotify. What do I have? If I launch this, my computer might die, but we'll see what happens. We're gambling today. I want to cover a song from ReZero. I want to cover a song from To Your Eternity. I want to cover a song as Boy Mew. There's so many songs! So many songs, not enough Mew. Come on, Spotify, you can do it. Load. Oh, it did. Oh, that's right. I have like a whole album that I want to do. A whole cover album. I want to do like 95% of the songs from Melanie Martinez's new song album. They're all very good. They're all big vibes. I'm looking through my like songs. Oh, the new Kim Petras song I want to cover with somebody, but I don't know who to ask. You know, I just remembered I'm a tad conflicted about what? About what, dear Spooky? May I assist in alleviating your concerns in any way possible? Ruta was hacked today. Ruta. in my stream or my server, something happened? I didn't see anything. No? Oh, Suruta, then. You know, how's your job? My job is solidly a job. I go and I mingle. Oh, Ruta! Oh, the one who did my stuff. Oh, blame you. Oh. Oh no. Do they know? I wonder if they know. Oh. Maybe they'll make a new account and they'll message you. Their account got hacked by crypto shills today. I think they're sleeping. It was like 4 a.m. there when it happened. Oh no. That's so scary. Gee, it's a shame that this platform decided to make two-factor authentication under a fucking paywall. Damn you, Elon! I hope someone hacks my Twitter. I have my new. Bro, why do you have your nudes on Twitter? That's not a good place to put your nudes. It's Twitter, why wouldn't you? Okay, that may be the case, but why would you want your Twitter to get hacked if it has nudes on it? Where's the logic here? Twitter is truly burning down to the ground. It's not going fast enough. I don't want it to go down. I don't want it to because Twitter... I have not used Twitter since becoming a VTuber, and I really like it. I like the platform itself. It's just everything gets ruined whenever Elon touches anything. No one expects to see nudes when they hack a Twitter. I feel like every hacker should expect a nude. I feel like 95% of the population with a cell phone and under the age of 65 have sent a nude. You should always prepare to see someone's naked body if you're going on their phone. That's just modern day life. That's reality. Twitter is pretty good social media, but some of the people on there need to go. That's true. Absolutely true. Plus, my nudes aren't bad, so why wouldn't I want people to see? Damn, that's really confident. Good for you on this confidence that you have. I'm very confident. Well, good. I'm happy for you. I hope whoever gets your nudes gets them A, consensually, and B, enjoys whatever they get. I have nothing to say on this topic. Hale, oh my gosh, have you sent nudes? Please don't exchange nudes via my chat! You fucks! What? No! Not here? Obviously not here! Am I a weirdo? I ain't got no nudes or Twitter. No, you're not a weirdo. You just need to be protected. You just need to be protected because you're very innocent if you don't have a nudes or a Twitter. You have been shielded from the world's greatest terrors. called my bluff there a bit. Yeah, Koji, you should watch what you say if you're not ready to get a nude. We just talked about this. I'm not that kind of person? Are you saying people who send nudes are bad people? Wow, hell. No, I'm just kidding. I know what you mean. I totally get it. You ask for a D-pic, you better expect it. Threat! That is a threat! Threatening dick pic! I never sent a nude. I fear the internet and what it's capable of. I've never sent a nude. Never. I've never done that. I would never do such a thing. So unconvinced. I'm not. Me. I promise you that I, New Mochizuki, have never sent a nude. If I'm lying, give me $1 million. Maybe to the homies? Sent nudes to the homies? I've sent lewds to the homies. Like things that don't really show much. Like maybe a little ass. You gotta hype up your homies, bro. If you can't send nudes to your homies, then, you know, what can you do? Hi, Savino! Meal's rice purity score probably proves otherwise. I don't even remember what my... I think it was like 69 or something. I think it was 69. I'm pretty sure it was. Because I thought it was funny that it was 69. So you dip their toes in the pool. Oh yeah, I owe you guys a 5-pic, don't I? Hold on. Let me see if this is even... I'm gonna be real, I think I took it and just never sent it. No? You already sent it? No, I didn't! I didn't! No, I didn't! It was you in the bath? Oh, that was one! But the other one was with, like, names on it from my Donathon. Oh, that's right! I took it when I took a bath in, green water because I thought of Shrek. And I liked the thought of Shrek. I'll send it later. I don't feel like sending it now. I sent a Cars Lightning McQueen nude to my dog, and he replied, "Nebo, what the fuck? What do you... Hold on. What the fuck is a Cars Lightning McQueen nude? What is a Lightning McQueen nude? He's already nude. He's already naked. How is that a nude? His life is being a nude. Lightning McQueen as a girl? Sabina, what are you doing in your time off? I wanna know. It's just porn. It's just porn. It's not a nude. It's just porn. It's funny. I love how we can talk about nudes and it's funny. Well, yeah, of course. It's a natural, humanly, you know, this is a normal place in society, like I just said. As long as you don't get graphic, as long as it doesn't get too, you know, I don't want to go into any detail, but I'm happy talking about whatever. As long as I bring up the conversation first. Don't just be coming up in my stream like, hey, Mew, you got a fat ass. I mean, do that. Actually, yeah, do that. Don't say, you have a fat ass, can I see it? How about that? Yeah. Yeah. Mew, what about head for the homie? No. I am a married woman. I have 18 wives and a handful of husbands. You're married? Not your mama. You're married to your mom. You're not my husband. We're talking about my wife. Hi, Spice. Are you playing Honkai? Honkai, regular Honkai? Honkai not Star Rail? Yes? How's it going? My mom says good things about you? Oh, thank God. No, I finished that? Now I'm on Star Rail. Are you grinding? You can't possibly have more story. You have to be already done. Oh my God. You Star Wars? Shut your fucking mouth! I love Star Rail. It's really good. I don't normally like turn-based games. I'm not a fan. I'm very impatient. And then that's kind of why I use auto battle sometimes. Sometimes! Not on anything. Just when I'm trying to get through a mission, okay? Listen. But I like it. I like it a lot. I think also because the ults are amazing. I love the ults. They have amazing animation. My favorite right now is oh my God, I'm forgetting her name. Krata, yeah. Yeah, I love hers. It's so cinematic. How did you know? How did you know? You shut up. You don't know me. I know Star Rails, not Star Wars, not Star Rails. I don't know Star Wars. I've never watched it. I would like to watch the older ones. I'd probably watch the newest one too because it has that really tall guy in it who's like kind of crazy, who plays the Darth Vader's son who has daddy issues. I'd probably watch that one, but I wouldn't like it. I can already tell I wouldn't like it. I like Hook, so I don't have Hook yet. Because you like seeing Svarog protect. That's exactly why. That's exactly why. I love when his eye glows and he's like about to murder somebody, but he has his hands so protectively over the precious baby. Oh, it's so hot. Fathers are hot. Good fathers are hot. Let me rephrase that. Attentive fathers who do their job well are hot. My damn room is hot. My room's like 74 right now. I think it's nice. I always wanted to get into gacha games because gambling is so epic in Anime Girls, but I never could focus on getting to the intro onboarding. I really think the intro of Star Rail was very, very simple and not extensive like I was thinking it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like 2 hours worth of a tutorial because they always like take their time. But they kind of blended it out so that, you know, the gameplay tutorials was really quick, but the story continued. It was good. I liked it. What about VTuber art nudes? Are those bad? Okay, see, now that's something don't do. When we're moving on from a conversation, don't just bring up a random sexual topic. But no, of course not. VTuber art nudes are not bad. In fact, I have plenty of not safe for work art. I liked it because it starts with canon in D, which is what Honkai Impact ended in. Oh, I didn't know that because I haven't finished yet. I need to. You're from the east or west side. Which do you think I'm from? Take a guess. But I went to the dead. Not a problem. She's from the Mew side. I'm from the Mew side. You sound kind of east. You are correct. I am from the east. You won't catch me dead on the west coast. I'm an east coast gal. I'll visit. That's where most females are nowadays. Huh? What? What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? I don't understand what you mean by that. Are you saying there's just all bitches over here? My god, Spice! You really are baby girl! Ah! Congratulations on your transition! Every online female I ask? I don't know about that, bro. Hey, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Nyafe. Hello, hello. That's the point where you stop talking. Yeah, you're good. We're good on that. Anyways, moving on. So many girls be from the east right now. I mean, yeah, I guess. This girl can wave? Yeah, I can do several things. Hold on, I'll show you. I numbers you. Bye. Bye. I'll hold down the fort. Let me see, ma'am. I can do. Hold on. I gotta step out. I gotta step back a little bit. Okay, so you saw a wave, but I'll show you again. Hi, I'm waving. Hi, yes, this is me waving. And then, something you see if you, like, subscribe is excited! And I do my little dance, and it's super cute, and we're happy. And then I also have my laugh. Hee hee hee. My little laugh. And then we also have tantrum. So when I'm like really, really mad. I do my I step and then I pout. Because, you know, that's me. I step and I pout. Yeah. I never get to show those off very often. I never think about them. Which is wild because you should have 20 last night. Don't talk about last night. I'm still mad at you. It's not fair that you can so easily push my buttons. It's not fair. It's not fair. And I fall for it every freaking time. I do it every time. Another question? What? Pushing your belly button? My belly button is an innie! Why does everyone say it's an outie? Look! There's depth there! It's not an outie! There is not something to push in there! See? Look, I cannot get any closer. There is not! It's a fucking innie! The song's still in my head. Skill issue. Nah, poke it? I wanna poke it. Can we poke it? What is wrong with you? No, do not touch my belly button. Ew! That makes me wanna die. Ew, don't touch my belly button. I will punch you in the face. Right in the little face that you have. I will punch it. Have you ever been punched by a cat girl before? Dodge it and body slam? You can't dodge. You can't dodge. I have cat-like reflexes. I will hit you before you even know that you've been hit. You'll look in the mirror and be like, oh hey, what's this giant black eye that I have? Where did that come from? I didn't fall or anything. And I'm gonna be in your window and I'm gonna have my fist up and you're gonna know. Only then. For free? No? Wait. You paid a cat girl to punch you in the face? How much did you pay? How much would a cat girl punch go for? Just asking, theoretically. When you go to punch, I just hug you? No. Then you're gonna be dead. $10? $10 for a cat girl punch? Nah. At least 20. At least 20. $20? See? Yeah, $20. That seems like a solid amount to get punched in the face. You wanna catch these hands? You better have $20. Or be me and get it for free. I've never punched you yet. At most, 5 chicken nuggets? You'll give me 5 chicken nuggets for a punch? I'll take that deal. $20 or 5 chicken nuggets. But they've got to be like really good and really fresh. You can't just give me like stale ass chicken nuggets. I'm gonna know the difference, and I will quality control them before I punch you in the face. I have to eat the chicken nuggets, digest the chicken nuggets, and wait at least 48 hours to decide if the chicken nuggets are appropriate enough to deserve the cat girl punch. I would love to catch those cackle hands. You wanna hold my hand? That's whoa. That's so intimate. Just thinking about it, it's too much. It's too much. I'm saving these hands. I don't know what I'm saving them for because I'm already married, but I'm saving them. That's me grabbing a fist. Oh, okay, that's even better. That's even better. Okay, good. I was worried you were proposing something very special. What are you gonna do if the chicken nuggets are stale? Punch me? Checkmate. No, I'm gonna run you over with my car. I thought that was obvious. Is that not the next step after punching someone? Manslaughter? I've been doing things wrong. I like hanging out with gay guys. Wait, what? Where are they at? What? Well, that was so random. I mean, same, me too. I hang out with Spice all the time. But where are the rest? Are there a bunch? There is the kick before the murder? kick? You kick people? No. Then I would scuff up my shoes. I'm not gonna do that. Miwa's still on the run to this day. Yes. Don't tell anybody where I am. Hi, Vin. How are you? Hi. Hello. Minty Winty. What about the royal kiss? What's the royal kiss? I don't know what that is. In my dad's soccer team, we got a tall gay guy named Daniel, and he's the chillest guy I've ever met. If you don't surround yourself with LGBTQIA+ members, then what's the point? They need to be gay and mentally ill. If they're really of any good quality. Royal kiss is a kiss from a cute cowgirl? Oh no, you couldn't afford that. OGB bestie. Oh my god, me bestie! We did it! Yeah, let's go! I guess I'm a diet pansexual? Can you explain what a diet pansexual is? I would like to know. I didn't know that I came in diet. You a pan? I am a pan. Means sugar-free. Oh, no, I could never be a diet pansexual. Pansexual, but with aspartame? Aspartame? I've never known how to say that word. Instead of sugar. I'm glad that multiple people thought of that joke. You all have dad humor. I'll do the deed with all genders, but only date females. Okay, yeah, that... I can understand that, I think. Would that mean you're pansexual, but you're heteromantic? Because you'll fuck anybody, but you'll only love a girl? Heteromantic? I don't know. I don't want to classify whatever you are. You keep being whatever you are. Girls are pan these days. All girls! Bisexual, eat hot chip and lie. Me. I don't know what I am, that's the problem. Well, the good thing about life is you can continue to not know. There's no time. You don't eat hot chip? I literally ate some Takis last night. What do you mean I don't eat hot chip? What? I skittered to the kitchen at like 2 a.m., took a handful of Takis and went back to my bed. At least you have the line. What are you talking about? I do not lie. I do not lie to you. To you, I do not lie. To people I care about, I do not lie. Everybody else, fuck them. It fluctuates? Yes, it solidly does fluctuate. Like when I was younger, I thought, I'm only going to date women. I am terrified of men. I do not want to. And I did for the most part. And then I dated some trans men. And then I dated cis men. And now I don't want to say it on stream because someone's gonna clip it and then they're gonna be like, oh my god, she likes men now. I'm not gonna say it, but I think sexuality is what sexuality is. It's ever-flowing. It's okay, she likes me. Yes, of course I like you. You're my husband. I am contractually obligated to say that I like you. I'm straight, dog. Oh my god, a hetero? Ugh! Ugh! Sabino, I can't tell if you're being serious or not. I'm gonna be real.
ご主人様すごい
Shark Raid! Hello, everyone. How are you? Is that fucking Kamara? Hi. Guess I gotta dip. No, don't leave me. I want attention. Hi, Kamara. Thank you so much for the raid. Hello, everyone. My name is Miyu Mochizuki, but you probably already know that if you're on Kamara's stream. How are you? Thank you so much, Kamara. How was your stream? Girl bully guy, it's weak. What? Do you hate straight guys or straight girls more? Oh, absolutely! I will hate men always, forever, in any other scenario. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't hate anyone unless they prove a reason for me to hate them. And I hate girls too, just kidding. Ha ha ha. It was okay, I opened the new Yu-Gi-Oh set. My collab partner canceled on me due to health, so played a little Yu-Gi-Oh until mouth started hurting too much. Did you get anything for your sets? Did you get anything cool? Man, what are you drinking? Tea? Can I have some tea? Love sucks. Depends on your view. Why do you think love sucks? Tell me about it. Tell me what you're feeling right now. Miyu Mochizuki, therapist in. I mean, basically half the price back. Damn, let's go. You can drink whatever you want. Okay, I'm booking a flight. I already have my beverage of choice and I'm ready to go. Good night, Kamara. I hope your mouth feels better. Love you. Thank you so much for the raid again. On the house? Ah! Can we swap? Catgirl for cowgirl? I got that good shit. You got that good shit? Yay, good. Had 3 girlfriends, they all broke up with me? It means you have time to find your next person. I did have a date with the crazy woman that stalked me? Oh. I've had a two stalkers in my lifetime. Very scary. I'm very sorry you had to deal with that. I hope everything turned out good. I also had 3 girlfriends and I just stopped talking to them. Wow, what the fuck? Sabino, that's really fucked up. No, I'm not gonna smile. What the fuck? Why did you do that? And I'm sorry about yours too. Oh, it's okay. That was long ago. I don't give a fuck. I told you those girls suck. It's all about the homies. Okay. You cannot be compatible with someone, or you cannot agree with someone or dislike them, but I think you deserve, like, to give the courtesy of properly ending things. Ghosting is just a very cowardly way of doing things. Does a first kiss count as a girlfriend? No. Not at all. Mew, when's your next collab? I don't know, probably sometime next week. You mean breaking up with them? Yes! Now? Collab with me? What do you want to collab with, Mint? My mouth in your mouth. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay. Cool VTuber collab. Just kissing. Just kissing. Have you tried the VNet thing though? It's so fun. I have not gotten it, no. I haven't. It's extra money, isn't it? Like I have to buy it? I shouldn't be doing this. 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 Okay, never mind. It's not. I could do it. Wait, is it? I'm confused. It's fun. I'm gonna get it eventually, but I haven't really needed it yet. Don't talk to Mitt. She's mine. Don't talk to her. I'm kidding. Wait, hold up. Actually, it's pretty gangster. I really don't... Like, I'm not trying to joke. That's not cool. I don't like it. I question your personality. I worry. Sabino... Come on, man. I don't want to feel love or want love. I just want to game and stuff, but dumb brain has other plans. That's true. You can be in a physical fight, but you can't tell your girlfriend that you don't want to date them anymore. That's really fucked up. Let's do a Just Chatting stream sometime, judging people, and we can figure out VNet. Oh, that'd be awesome! Okay. Yes. Let's do a Just Chatting stream. Podcast! But a good one. Calm jar, what? Oh, I'm writing these out. We'll put spice in the jar on the table. Yes, because they fucking cheated? Okay, well, you didn't present the facts. You didn't present the rest of the facts. But I don't know. That's a whole different bag of worms. Now I did? That's a whole nother bag of worms. Well, then you should go to Never mind. I'm moving on. If you don't want or need love, I don't know. What? I have that as a redeem? I didn't even know I had that. What do you want, Spice? What do you want me to sing? Oh, God, no. No! Honestly, I didn't think I'd get this. Why would you redeem it? California girls. I don't know. I don't know California girls. I mean, I do, but I don't know this. I know a place where the grass is really greener, warm, wet, and wild. There must be something in the water. Sipping gin and juice, laying underneath the palm trees, and on the boys' paper necks, trying to creep a little sneak peek at us. You can travel the world, but nothing comes close to the Golden Coast. Won't you party with us? Wanna be falling in love? Oh, oh, California girls were unforgettable. Daisy Dukes bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin so hot will melt your popsicle. California girls are undeniable. Fine French beers, we got it on lock. West Coast represent, now put your hands up. Sex on the beach, we don't mind selling our stilettos. We freak in my Jeep. I'm a Jeep! Snoop Doggy Dogg on the stereo. Oh, you can travel the world, but nothing comes close to the Golden Coast. Won't you party with us? You'll be falling in love. California girls were unforgettable. Daisy Dukes bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin so hot will melt your popsicle. Fine fresh beers, we got it on lock. West Coast represent, now put your hands up. Oh God, tone, tan, fit and ready. Turn it up cause it's getting heavy. Wild, wild, West Coast. These are the girls I love the most. I mean the ones, like she's the one. Kiss her, touch her, squeeze her buns. Oh! The girl's a freak, she drives a Jeep and lives on the beach. I'm okay, I will play, I love the bay, just like I love LA. Venice Beach and Palm Springs. Summertime is everything. Homeboys banging out, all that ass hanging out. Bikinis, zucchinis, martinis, no weenies, just a king and a queen. Katie, my lady, yeah. And look at here, baby. I'm cause you represent in California. California girls were unforgettable. Daisy Dukes bikinis on top. Sunset skin. What about your popsicle? Five fresh beers, we got it on lock. West Coast represent, now put your hands up. California girls, California, California girls, California. Where's an East Coast song that's the equivalent of that? I want an East Coast bop. I want one. Old as hell? I'm old as hell. You're welcome, Spice. You're welcome for that amazing rendition. Shipping up to Boston. That's not a girl. That's not a hot girl East Coast song. That's shipping up to Boston. See, that's it. That's all. Doesn't say like I'm so cute for being a cute East Coast girl. I'm gonna make East Coast I don't know, New York girls. I don't know. I'm gonna remake it. I'm gonna remake it. California. Are you full black or half black? I'm half black. I'm Japanese, white, and black. I am a melting pot. I refuse to accept that 2010 is considered old now. No, it's not. That's an interesting mix of races. Thanks! I didn't choose them! I don't know who did. I guess my grandparents could have fooled me. What do you mean? Why would you think I think I am a superior for my mixed racedness. But I did not character select my ethnicity. I'm black, Puerto Rican, and Guatemalan. Wow. That's an interesting mix of races. I'm 57% of everything? I don't think that's how that works. Of everything? 57%? I think we're having a little bit of difficulty adding to 100%. What's the other 43? Dumbass? I'm sorry, I won't be mean to you. You're in my chat and I'm grateful. Nah, that's bullshit. I'm gonna be mean to you. You shouldn't be here if you don't expect me to be mean to you. I know for a fact a bunch of people here are white. Probably. The Discord link doesn't work? Hold on 1 second. Is it the socials one that doesn't work? Give me one momento. Uno momento, por favor. I'll give you what you need. That link was disabled because of hate razors. Oh yeah, that's right. Here you go. You can have that. Orale! I'm American born Jamaican. Wow, Jamaican! That's cool. I wanna go to Jamaica. I wanna go... Okay, obviously the first place I want to go is Japan. If I do not go to Japan soon, I will cry. Because I want to go. I have to. I've been in Guatemala for my first country. Wow. I've never went out of the country. I haven't even been to Canada. I've been close to Canada. I've been at the border of Canada, but we didn't actually go past it. I'm going on a trip in June. Where are you going? You're welcome, Alora. You're welcome. Oh yeah, and I wanna also non-country. I wanna go to Epcot and get drunk. I wanna get filthy, sloppy, drunk, and drink everywhere. Because when I went the last time, I went with someone who hates when other people drink, so I couldn't drink. And now I want to! Kansas City and Iowa, oh cool! I hope you have a good time. I don't know what's in Kansas City, but I'm sure you'll have a great experience. I live near Canada because I used to live in Wisconsin. Get wasted, just don't throw up? I've had my fair share of terrible drunken things, but no one can throw up at Disney. No, that's not possible. You still spread it out, so it's not like you're getting belligerent. You're not drinking all of it at once. you're going through all the countries and getting a drink. So it's kind of like you're constantly drunk, but you're not too drunk. The Kansas City Chiefs and the Kansas City Royals and Bears? Eagles are better than the Chiefs. Oh no, not football. I want to get good enough at Guilty Gear so I can be sponsored and fly to a bunch of big tournaments. Well, you're top 50 in the world. I think you're getting there, my guy. You're doing amazing. I was born in Philly. Okay, I don't know. As long as we're talking about past places, just don't say where you're currently from, please. I don't want you to get doxxed. Top 50 on Bridget. There's like 25 characters, so like top 1%, which is still a lot of people. Well, still, that's still amazing. You're doing amazing. And you're gonna get even better. And then you're gonna hit #1. I'm just saying what's in... Oh yeah, I know. I don't know much about football. Or baseball. But I want to go to a baseball game. They have a baseball team here. Obviously, they have a baseball team here, but I want to go to a game. I want to see... I want to... watch them hit balls. And have baseball food. What's baseball food? Like hot dogs and stuff? I'm not very American. I don't have a lot of patriotism. I don't support our sports. Hot dogs. Yeah, that's what I thought. Goofy dogs. Hot dogs, beer fries? Hot dogs, nachos, you know, America. Yeah. Beer fries. Let's go back to the beer fries. Oh, wait, comma. Hot dog, beer, fries. This is why commas are important, bitches. Soda, America. Hot dogs are famous? Of course, they're hot dogs. They're everywhere. I'm a female dog now, yep. What's the censors on burgers? I love burgers. I love red meat. I love meat. I love meat a lot. I've never met someone who doesn't like burgers, though. I mean, obviously, you know, people who don't eat meat don't, but there's even non-meat burgers, so I don't know. If you don't like burgers, then what are you doing? It's bread and meat. And, like, vegetables and stuff. Koji, you think burgers are gross? For why? Explain yourself. Some people like to eat healthy. Well, yeah, that's different. Like, you can still like something and choose not to eat it because you're being healthy. I also don't eat burgers often, but I do eat it. And when I eat it, I like it. Getting drunk is a baseball thing? Yeah. That feels about right. Like, I feel like you need to get drunk to really enjoy baseball. I want a burger now, a good juicy burger. Oh my god, I'd love some juicy meat right now. I need a little more pizza? I like pizza too. I think I would choose pizza over burgers. I think. A good sloppy mushroom. Ugh, you ruined it with the mushrooms. You ruined it with the mushrooms. Bro, I love you already. Duh, I'm easily loved. Mushroom not good. Mushroom texture bad. Mushroom bad. Nuh-uh. No mushroom, no tomato. What's up in dishes? I love mushroom. No, I can't. The taste is fine, but the texture just makes me wanna gag. What do you think about pineapple and pizza? It's fine. I can take it or leave it, honestly. I'm not like one of those that are like, oh no, it's so sinful. But I also don't go out of my way to put it on the pizza. You know what I mean? My favorite pizza. I forgot to tell this to the Brad Squad, because I always tell them my work escapades. But we were talking about pizza at work, and they're like, well, I told them my favorite pizza is pepperoni with banana peppers. I don't know why, I just like it. And they're like, that sounds like something a pregnant person would eat. Are you pregnant? They ask me if I'm pregnant every fucking week. I swear to God, these bitches want somebody in the office that's pregnant, and just because I'm the youngest, I'm elected. And I've told them I'd rather get castrated or whatever the equivalent is. Just let me enjoy my goddamn pepperoni and banana pepper pizza. That's fucked up. I know. I just want to eat my pizza. Love me some banana peppers. I love banana peppers. I would literally rather drink toilet water than get pregnant. Honestly, yeah. If someone came to me today and said, hey, listen, you can drink this toilet water, a big ol' helping of it, or I'm gonna make sure that you're pregnant right now, I'm drinking the toilet water. I'm drinking it. I am. Having babies is so cringe. All my homies hate kids. It's the worst. Imagine not wanting children but having an extreme bread kink. Bread is still a past tense. Mew, you still can't say that. Speaking of, my 8-month-old niece is here. Oh, I mean, kids are great. Your baby's fine. I love children. I love babies so much. I love babies. I want to hold them. I want to squeeze them. They have this like unique smell. I love babies. But I don't want a baby. Fire Pig, thank you for the follow, by the way. She really does, yes. Kids are a tax write-off, not enough. Listen, I'd be an amazing mother, and I know that. But it's terrifying, and I don't want it. That's too much of a commitment. Fuck that, all kids are assholes. No, there's some great kids. Babies are cute when they aren't screaming their head off. I'm great with babies, too. I think I'd be a good dad. I don't know about that. I don't want a giant parasite in my stomach. I think pregnant people are hot. So I don't know. I think pregnancy is good. I like it. I don't know. I think it's like good. I don't know. Don't worry about it. Anyway, I'm actually a nice guy. I said I don't know. I'm not gonna judge you completely just from this hour and 50-minute experience. Can't confirm he's a nice guy. You could always adopt a kid. That's true. Adoption is very necessary. Man, I love your emotes. Don't look at me like that though. Don't look at me like that though. Woman? I can't have the heart wants what the heart wants. And the heart wants one part of it without the other. Just not to someone who talks shit to me, then I get physical. Well, I don't know about that. I think pregnant ladies are fine. It's just when I think about it for myself, it's like alien parasite. Yeah. The thought of like a living human being using my body to incubate itself for 9 months and then just deciding to just get out. It chooses that? It chooses that? I think like we need to have a conversation. Like we need to schedule this. I can't be 9 months pregnant and you just suddenly be like, today's the day. No, bitch. We scheduled for August, whatever, yada yada yada. You're coming on that day. Women be confusing as fuck? No, you just don't listen to them enough. Women literally tell you what you want. They tell you what they want. You just don't listen. My heart wants burgers? Same. I sure hope you're not bringing incel conversations into my chat as a woman. My niece was a week early. It be like that. I was actually... You know, the ironic thing is I say this as a 2-month early baby. I was supposed to be born 2 months early... Or 2 months later than I was. But I said, fuck that shit, I'm out. If only I would have known. If only I would have known what the horrors were waiting for me after I got out of the chat. Or out of my mom. Out of the chat. Remember, a Twitch chat is not a place for you to complain about your love life. Reminder. Reminder. Let's keep it chill. Do you like being a woman though? Because I know a bunch of girls that were saying they wish they were a boy. I am she/they currently. So I don't know whether it's about being a woman. I think I love being a woman, but I think I also love being an entity, a god. I simply just don't want to think about it sometimes, you know? It's just... You know? Sometimes I want to exist as Mew and not as she. I don't know how to explain it. You go to church, you're a Christian. I am solidly agnostic. That's probably because of sexism, wage gap, internalized misogyny, violence against women, crimes against women, etc., etc., etc. Literally every fucking thing. Why would I go to church if I'm the God? You don't see Jesus showing up at church every Sunday. Just like my uncle, he's agnostic. Agnostic. As a trans woman, I don't know why anyone would want to be a man. That shit is cringe. Need me a church girl who go to church and read her Bible. I miss Vine. Oh God, I miss Vine. Because Jesus died and he's in heaven. Well, apparently he's all of us too, so... Ugh. Moving on, next subject. No, being a man is hard? Okay. This is the kind of people I attract. I forget that my model tracks that. I really do every time. People bring it up, and I'm like, yeah, well, I can't really hide my emotions. Type your message below, and we'll give you some glitz. We'll give it some glitz, huh? What? I don't know if I can trust something that died and came back 3 years or 3 days later. That's fuck. Koji, you're funny. I'm a god. No, I'm God. What am I gonna do tonight? What am I doing? I only come every 3 days. Damn, you come every 3 days? I haven't came at all yet. What the fuck? I don't want to start fights, but in my opinion, people who say being a man is so hard lack empathy. True. I don't mean that to devalue any personal struggle, but you guys don't know what it's like. That's true. It's very true. It's impossible to explain to someone who's been the superior, you know, who's been in charge of every single fucking thing in the history of the world, and who's caused every bad thing that's happened. It's kind of hard to say that it's hard being you. I don't know. I get it. Everyone has individual struggles. I get it. But as a whole, men do not have it harder. And I will say that until I'm red in the face. We get more pissed off and violent? You choose that. You choose to control that. Women have just as much emotion, and we choose to... Well, not all of us. Okay, again, it's a very generalized statement, but... I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. There's some core differences between our opinions, and as I tend to go about my life, I know that it's hard changing people's opinions. So I say what I say, and you say what you say, and if we agree, we agree. If we don't, we don't. Running to Walmart? What y'all want? What do they have at Walmart? They have crackheads. I'll take one of those. How about let's not make it a dick measuring contest and instead try to fix shit. True, right? If only. If only. But, you know. I love Made-A-Mu stream. I love Mid-Mu stream. I'm in every stream. As long as I'm at home, I'm in your stream. I'm gonna go buy some expired milk, damn. Tell us about the progress on your next model. Oh, well, everything is actually done except for the rigging itself. You're gonna make me cry? Why? Oh, their model. You got a response? Tell me! Shit, send! You know who you're gonna have to rig? I do, actually, and they're actually being really sweet because they love my model so much that they're, like, willing to work with me on stuff when I'm ready to start. I'm really excited. They're very sweet. It makes me really happy that they like my model so much. I'm down for some crying. I love crying. Man, help! Your model's cute. Thank you. My new model's even more amazing. VTubers are made with mirror tool. I just need to know if the face is okay since it's the most important part. I'll send more whips. I was finishing a huge model. Sorry for taking so long. Oh, so they're saying that another model is more important than yours that you've been waiting for 7 months? And I... The thing about the mirroring is I get it. Most VTuber models are mirrored. I am mirrored. That's very common for VTuber models. But 7 months for a face is not okay. 7 months with no communication is not okay. And especially being prioritized like that. Or the lack of prioritization. It's ridiculous. And that's not acceptable. That's not an acceptable answer. It's just not. I've learned that I can be mad at them before I've had my coffee, then it's easier to be mad. Good, okay, then pre-spice, pre-coffee spice. We'll send another message tomorrow then. I'm looking through my fucking Discord and I'm looking at my chat. What do you want from me? Why are you yelling at me? Oh, I wasn't looking at you. No. I wasn't looking at you. You're not the only person I talk to, Spice. You're not so special. You know, I talk to other people. Bitch. Oh, you have something now? Okay, what is it? No, you reminded me of what? Hello, FPS. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Nyabe. Thank you. Hello. I was joking when I said being a man is hard. Women have it harder. Oh, okay. Okay, just jokes. I'm literally gonna cry. I'm gonna fucking cry. It's so pretty. Oh, it's getting married to me. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It's beautiful in the wedding dress. You sounded different for a moment. How?
Yo, what's up?
I have lots of different voices. I'm a voice actor, bitch. Oh my god! Okay. Alright, Mint, I'm doing it. Because I'm tired. I'm annoyed. I did it! I had balls and I did it! Thank you! I did it! I'll see you and do it for you next time. Okay? Okay. Spice, what the fuck? That's really hot. I mean, homie, like a big Cassie fart. He was just texting me. He's like, girl, ban him. I feel so bad. I know I shouldn't feel bad if someone's making me uncomfortable. Your voice is cute, thank you. Do not feel bad, I do. It's your safe space. What happened, people? Someone was just making me feel uncomfortable and annoyed, and he was saying a lot of shit that I really did not like, but I am a coward, and I'm scared of banning people because I'm afraid they're gonna attack me. That man had pent-up aggression? Yeah! I didn't keyword him, but I hope he can get over it. I hope he can learn to accept when you're not a good person and you need to make changes in your life. Not even that you're not a good person, but you're making questionable life opinions? I don't know. Anyways, I did good! I had a backbone! Eventually! Yeah! The guy was giving me bad vibes from the get-go? Yes. It's their fault, no one else. Correct. He said females? Yeah, anyone who says females is disgusting. Cause I know they're on some that bitch is just a fucking object type shit. Badass Muark! Yeah! Badass Muark! Not taking no more shit! I'm banning everybody I don't like! I don't care anymore! This is my stream! I get to decide! Fuck you! Yeah! You're so hard and edge. Thank you. Listen, I tried to be visibly confrontational with the things he said. I really did. I really tried. I couldn't take it anymore. Kind of cringe, honestly. More of that energy? Okay. Yes! Okay, I can do that. This is Mew doesn't fucking care arc 2023. Mew does what makes her happy 2023. Yeah! That's been a long going arc. Okay, yeah, I do what I want, but I meant like I stick up for myself arc. I do what I want though. And I get what I want. Cause you know why? I'm a bad bitch! I'm proud of you, baby girl. I don't accept that. And you should know why. And that's why I said, what? No! I fell into the trap! No! 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 Say it right! Say it right! This is entrapment! This is always entrapment! I don't like men who treat women like crap. Good. That's the bare minimum. Let's try even more. Yeah. Yeah. Better. It's the grossest thing. No, Hale, sorry. I can't agree with you on that one. I can't agree, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have a problem. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't. I can't. Listen, if you call a girl baby girl without her consent, it's cringe. But if you have consent, you better say that shit all the time. Not all the time. Make it special. It's gotta be special. It loses its luster if you use it all the time. But if you use it just at the right time, magnifique. She thrives. I do. I do. Not by everyone. No, I'm not looking for everybody to start saying that. Thank you. That's just my opinion. I don't like the word. A very select few. Very select few. Some people have their way of showing their love and affection for each other. Yes. I just don't like the word. That's okay. You don't have to like the word. I'll be real with you. When I was younger, I hated it. I thought it was the most cringe thing in the world. But then I got older and someone called me that and I liked it. So it changes. Everything changes. It's a spectrum. Time is not linear. Lizards run the government. I don't know what else to say. I just don't want to talk about this anymore. Hi, Ernestas. How are you? Baby girl is reserved for my dog and only them. That's good. Look at Koji. Even Koji's got a baby girl. I have a baby girl. Well, how long have I been following? 2 years, 6 months, 17 days, and 2 hours. Wow. 2 years, Spice. Almost 3. Why does it feel like so much longer? 3 years old? You never will! Till death do us part, motherfucker! You're trapped now, bitch! I bet you regret that follow, don't ya? Yeah, you do! If you say yes, I will cry. How are you, Anestos? I'm good, thank you for asking. I'm really good. Marriage is a mistake. Oh, that's another thing. You can get married. You can't get married. Who cares? Do what you want. Make life what you want it to be. You're telling me, but I can't divorce. I personally think that you shouldn't want to divorce me because I'm cute and amazing and I'm funny and I'm cute and I am the best. I'm the best of the best of the best of the best. Ta-da! There's your argument for divorce. Try for that. I won't be mama y papa. Hold on a minute, I gotta go. No! Wait a minute. I don't want to be a single mother. Next stream gonna be why you shouldn't divorce me. I don't need to have a stream. I just told you. Those are the reasons. been nice knowing you. Spice? I know where you live. Only for that. That's not true. I also know where you live there, too. Act like I don't know where you're moving. I do know! Yes, I do! I do! You showed me the listing! You moron! Also, we walked past it, and you said, hey, that's my apartment building! Also, I'm moving down the street from you! Try avoiding me, motherfucker! I know what your car looks like, one of a kind. Wouldn't want anything bad to happen to it. Oh god, man, that's scary. You're threatening the car? Oh, she means business. Hi, Luffy. That looks so much bigger than my drink. I want my own. And you? I'm gonna stop streaming now. I decided I want to stop. I decided I'm done now. I'm done now. You did a good stream, good time. Thank you! Thank you so much! Thank you guys for chilling with me today. I always get scared of just chatting streams because I don't know... I don't know about entertaining people or, you know, keeping conversations going, but you guys really help, so thank you so much. It makes me really happy. At least I can go back to Honkai. Honestly, I'm very surprised that you stuck around this long. So I appreciate you, even though you hate me and you want to get a divorce and you don't want me to know where your apartment is. Mean. You two should have just chatted stream. We're gonna plan one. We're gonna plan one, right, Min? You're cool people. Thank you. Thank you. Stick around. Stay a while. But I'm gonna be back. Stream son. I have a jam-packed weekend. And I'm excited. But I just got here. Sorry, Luffy. I'm sorry. My time doesn't change. Don't worry, I'll be back on Tuesday. I'll be back on Tuesday. I'll be back on Tuesday. Thank you guys again. Make sure to follow all my socials if you haven't already to make sure that you can see when I stream and what I'm streaming, and if you vibe with it, then come hang out with me, okay? I'm going to sleep right now. Okay. Okay, go dream of Spice, Wuffy. Bye! Bucka, hi Bucka. Bye, Bucka. Bye, everyone! I'll see you Tuesday. Good night. Oyasumi, thank you for coming to the cafe. Bye bye.